Hey guys, so today at 10 p.m., like starting today, every day we will have a discussion on. I'll ask some questions and I'll tell some interesting facts about the topic which we are going to discuss. And starting today, like 10 p.m., we will have discussion on fundamental rights. So before we have that discussion and I ask you questions which you need to answer, what I want you to do is watch my course first, which I have already prepared on unacademy.com. So if you just see the descriptions, if you just see the description, I have pasted one link over there, and it talks about the fundamental rights. There are just like if you just sit for 1 hour, you will watch the entire course. And what happens with that is like you will understand how you have to go about it. हम procrastinate करते रहते हैं, and it is not just for UPSC exams, like all the government exams the static questions do come. SSC हो गया आपका, कोई भी एग्जाम जिसमें जीके पूछते हैं, बैंकिंग, all these exams have some GK component in it. So no matter which exams you are preparing for, this discussion will really help you. And just start with that. For example, like which is the what is the status with right to property? So many people don't know what is the present position of right to property, so you will need to know that. Okay, then you will need to know what is martial law. I'll ask some questions around what is the current status of article 16, what are the sub clauses in article 16, which is relates with like employment. Then there is what is untouchability, what is the definition of it. I'll ask some questions, one word, like one liners, which will help you know whether you know the your topic or not properly. So once you are comfortable with that, only then you can be like really sure of giving the exams. Anyway, so just watch that course and at 10 p.m. So some sample questions will be like, which of the following fundamental right is not available to aliens? What do you mean by alien? Like anyone who is not a citizen of the Indian government. So that will be termed as an alien. So you will need to know who of the following is not a which of the following fundamental right is not available to Indian citizen or alien, or available to both of them. Then what is right to education? Like which constitutional amendment act introduced which constitutional amendment act introduced right to education, and what other amendments that it did. What is the status with under 6 education, like the children who are less than 6 year old, what is their education status. Which of the following is not the component of right to education, and more like for example, like it has been expanded a lot. It just does not pertain to education, it pertains to like midday meal, all those are covered also. Then which of the following is not the part of the broader interpretation of article 21, that is right to shelter, right to health, right to speedy trial, right to livelihood, right to clean air, right to environment, right to free legal aid. So all these are part of article 21. Okay, Menka case, you might have heard about it. So that's how it started. Then like which are the freedoms available under article 19, which of the following is not available under article 19, which of the following is not a fundamental right, what is the position of fundamental right with respect to directive principles of state policy, and so on and so forth. So basically these are all the things which you should know. And I will like get back to you at 10 p.m. tonight. So please watch this entire course, and we will meet at 10 p.m. tonight, and then we will have the questions discussion. And in the comments below on this video, you can ask your questions, and if I like them, then I will ask the same questions to the entire audience of all the people who are watching it. Okay, so let's meet at 10 p.m. tonight, and we will do it at 10 p.m. every day. So thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day.